Because you're an Apsara.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh!
Shyam!
You also look like a keyboard to me. Ask me why.
Why?
Because you're my type.
Oh!
ಹೊಡಿರೋ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
That's funny.
One second. Action! Hey, don't blush now. Let's do that. என்ன பண்ண வச்சல?
Wait. I'll give.
Okay, Sanjay, I'll give you your greeting card. That's for you. Why?
Because you're an Apsara.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh!
Shyam!
You also look like a keyboard to me. Ask me why.
Why?
Because you're my type.
Oh! Shyam? No, Shyam. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Really.
You are Apsara.
Apsara, you're my type.
And what else?
There are many things. The stars are very jealous of
Very
me.
good reason.
The stars are very jealous of
Moon
me.
is
Ask
also
me why.
jealous here. Why?
Because your eyes shine more than the stars.
What guys are painting?
The stars are jealous of me. Ask me why.
Why?
Because her eyes shine more than the stars.
Oh my god! I'm painting. Hey, that your heart broke in
Thank you
pieces.
so much.
Shyam,
Yeah.
do one task to broke my heart. That's it? Kerry, that's only for us. And that's it. Thank you, Ram.
Hey, hug or kiss? Hug. Hey, hug plus lip to lip kiss.
Hey,
ಹೇಳೋದು ಇಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Hey. ಆಚೆಯಿಂದ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಚೆಯಿಂದ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರೋ ನಿಮಿಷ
Telugu only.
By the sing some Malayalam song.
I'll definitely die when you cry.
ముందు బాగా దేనికి
సుడిగాలి తెలుగులో బాగుంటుంది కదా అది
ఏం చెప్తావునా జానీ ఎస్ పాపా
షుగర్ నో పాపా ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್
அவங்க பாரு நான் தரமா ఉంటారు
నేను చేస్తాను 7,000 తెలుగు కానీ నువ్వు
ఏడిస్తే నేను చచ్చిపోతా
చచ్చిపోతా.
హలో టీచర్ కాదు నువ్వు One second. Action! Hey, don't blush now. Let's do that. என்ன பண்ண வச்சல? Hey, show. Bro, YouTube ಇಲ್ಲಿದಾರ ನೋಡು.
Silence, guys. Okay, ready. Action.
కొంచెం దగ్గరికి రారా
Louder.
You have a bandage?
Ask why.
Ask why. Because I fell for you.
Oh!
Fine. Super. Next. Congratulations. Hey, propose.
On your knees.
Successfully
Thank you,
completed.
Ananya. You can hand over this greeting to him.
Bye. Hey, bye சொல்றா.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thank you, ma.
Hey. ಅದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಂ ಏ ಶಾರುಖ್ ಖಾನ್
మా శాంట ఒప్పుకో
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ.
ಶಾಂತ ಯಾರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪಕ್ಕನಾ ವಿಜಯ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅವನು ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಶಾಂಟ
ನನಗೆ
ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೋಪ ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ
ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೋಪ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಪ್ಪು.
ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನಾನು
ಹೇಳಿ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಏ ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್
ಓಯ್ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಆ
ಅಂತ
ಕಡೆ.
ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಅವ್ರು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಅವ್ರ್ಯಾರೋ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ತಮಾಷೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಾನು. ತಮಾಷೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ.
ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ನಾನು ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡ.
ಏ ಹೀರಾ ಏನ್ ಪನ್ನಿ.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ? మీరు సేమ్ ప్రదీప్కి తెలుగులో బాగుండే
ఎట్లా చెప్తాదిలే మేనేజ్ చేస్తా.
ಭಾರ್ಗವ
ఈసారి ట్రై ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ
ಭಾರ್ಗವ
ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ
ಭಾರ್ಗವಕ್ಕಂತ ಈಸಿಗೆ చెప్తారు. ಇದರ್ ಶಫಾತ್
ಈ ಕೈ 5 ಕೋಟಿ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಮುಷ್ಟಿ ಕಟ್ಟೊಡ್ಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ఓకే మేరీ క్రిస్మస్.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
రాదు బ్రో అంటే
చెప్పామా టక్కున పాడాలమ్మా ఇంత పడు.
ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳೋದು
జానీ జానీ చెప్పుమా.
ಆಹಾ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ఓకేనా? ఓకే